Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can download Adobe After Effects, so make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for After Effects. Open the first website that comes up in the results and the Adobe official website will open up. Make sure to log in using your account. After logging in, you will be on the home page of the Adobe website. It is a really great software that you can use to edit your videos. In order to download this software, simply click on the free trial button here and then select any one of these available plans and click on continue. And that's how you can download Adobe After Effects. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.